Bankrate Loan Comparison Tool Full Review, Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to the product are in the description, so let's get straight to it. The Bankrate Loan Comparison Tool is an online platform designed to help users compare a wide range of loan options from multiple lenders, all in one place. It covers various loan types, including personal loans, mortgages, auto loans, home equity loans, and student loans. What sets Bankrate apart is that it aggregates real-time loan offers from a variety of trusted lenders, providing users with the opportunity to compare interest rates, loan terms, and monthly payments side by side. One of its biggest strengths is comprehensive lender options. Bankrate partners with both traditional financial institutions and online lenders, allowing users to access competitive rates across a wide spectrum of providers. The tool is particularly helpful for those who want to compare personalized loan offers based on their credit profile, income, and other financial factors. In addition, Bankrate provides in-depth loan resources, including calculators, articles, and expert advice to help users make more informed borrowing decisions. The platform is free to use, and checking offers won't impact your credit score, as Bankrate performs a soft credit pull. However, there are some weaknesses. While Bankrate provides excellent loan comparisons, it doesn't give users access to the full application process. Once you find a loan that meets your needs, you'll need to apply directly through the lender's website. Additionally, interest rates and loan terms may vary depending on the lender's approval criteria, which means not all offers will be available to every user. Some users also report that they receive frequent follow-up emails and calls from lenders, which could be a downside for those seeking a more private loan shopping experience. Overall, the Bankrate Loan Comparison Tool is a powerful resource for borrowers looking to compare real loan offers from multiple trusted lenders. If you want to access competitive rates quickly and easily, this tool can save you time and effort. Check out the links in the description to see how Bankrate can help you find the best loan for your needs.